Can I show the audience something really
Please.
quick before
yeah.
you do that? I
Do
would
it.
like to show them something. So when you showed
Okay.
us that inscription in the top margin of the manuscript there,
Yeah.
so you were showing us a photo, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Well, you recently established a new institute,
Yes.
the IHBMR, the Institute for Hebrew Bible Manuscript Research. And what is so cool about the institute you established and
Yeah.
the website associated with it is that people can actually go to the website of IHBMR at ihbmr.com, and they can actually for themselves look at all of the pages of the Sassoon manuscript.
Mm-hmm.
And so if I may share my screen just for one
Please.
second, at ihbmr.com, if you go to the tab that says manuscripts, this is for our audience, you can actually see, as you can see right now on my screen, the Sassoon manuscript, the manuscript that's going to go for sale and be auctioned off next month by Sotheby's Auction House. And so here, you actually also have the manuscript indexed. On the left side are all of the references to every page. So the note you brought is referenced by Numbers, the page that has Numbers chapter 1, verses 10 through 41. And so if I zoom in up here on this page, and if I go to the bottom is where you can actually see the page. You see page 112 there.
Oh, cool.
And if I go to the top, there I can see for myself the note that you just showed our audience.
Yep.
With Aaron ben Moses ben Asher's name there.
Yep. Now in my version, there was a red thing around it that I drew. Yes, Nehemia has modified the images in Photoshop. Well, just to put a little circle around it. And that should be obvious. Let's look at Joshua 3:11. You've got it here. So this is something that required a great deal of time to go through every single page, determine where the beginning is and where the end is, right? Because there's no chapter numbers, there's no verse numbers. We're working on making the website faster. Be patient, guys. Takes a little bit of time. There it is. So this is Joshua 3:11. And we want to see, does it have Aron Habrit, the Ark of the Covenant, or does it have Aron Yehovah? Oh, there it is on the right. Oh no, that's the second instance. That's a few verses later. Okay, there it is. Vayis'u et Aron Habrit. So it has the Ark of the Covenant, which is what it has pretty much in every manuscript. But originally the Aleppo Codex, apparently we think, had Aron Yehovah by mistake or maybe on purpose, and was changed. Here it has Aron Habrit. Let's see, which one is it? We have to, the phrase appears repeatedly. So it's the one that says, no, I lost my place. No, it's right there. 3:11. Hine Aron Habrit Adon Kol Haaretz. Oh, there it is. No, you got it there. Hine, sorry, so that's it. Hine Aron Habrit Aron. Is that Aron or Adon? That's Adon. Oh, that's hard to tell, actually. Wow. So the Resh and Dalet are very similar. If you look in the next line, you have the word Yarden, and the Dalet is what we call a chupchik. And the Resh is a little bit more rounded, but that first Resh, that is, wow, they're similar, the Resh and the Dalet. That could be Aron Kol Haaretz. It's obviously meant to be Adon, and I say obviously based on other manuscripts. That doesn't mean this scribe intended that. Wow, that's similar. So if you go to the Dalet on Yarden, just below it, can you show them the chupchik?
There we go.
So chupchik is a little bump, right? That distinguishes the Resh from the Dalet. But just to the right of that letter is a Resh, and boy, they're similar. Wow. Man. So Kennecott has a manuscript where it says Aron Kol Haaretz, the Ark of all the earth.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, one manuscript he mentions. One of the things about Kennecott is you always need to check to see if it actually is true, and we haven't checked that. So take that with a grain of salt. So yeah, Institute for Hebrew Bible Manuscript Research is doing some exciting things. And we were given permission by the owner of this manuscript, Jackie E. Safra, to publish these images and make them available. And it's the first time they've ever been published with the verse numbers identified. So yeah, that's pretty cool how quickly we were able to find that. That's very cool. That is awesome, Nelson.